Okay, in the last video, it was not easy for me to complete the demonstration of how to create a form. So I come back in the second video this time around to show you. The reason why it was not easy in my previous video is because I am using the basic version which gives a limit of 5 forms. You just have to create up to 5 forms. You cannot create more. So I had already exceeded that limit. So I come back here. In my previous video, I demonstrated how to log in or how to sign up for a Jotform account. So I also said if you have already an account, you sign in and you get here. And when you get to this level, there are many aspects here. You have my forms, you have templates, you have integrations, you have products, you have support, you have enterprise, you have pricing. All these are tools within Jotform that can enable you create good forms. So I'll straight away go to this button, create form. When you click create form, it brings 3 options. The first one is creating from the scratch. You just have a blank slate, then you kickstart. You do it from scratch. The second option is to use templates. There are over 10,000 templates that you can choose from. And the third option is to convert an existing form and upload it or import it into Jotform. So, like I said in my previous video, if you are a beginner, using templates is the best. But I'll demonstrate this video creating a form from scratch. So you click here and then it takes you to the aspect where you select your form layout. You choose a layout according to your needs. We have classic form, we have card form. The classic form, all the aspects of your form are on one page. Then for the card form, it's a single question per page. So it depends on your needs and which form or which layout suits you. For the purpose of this video, this demonstration, I'll take classic form. Now, when you take it, it launches you, takes you to the form builder. This organization settings or a pop-up window comes up. You can start here. For example, you might be creating a form for an organization and you have a logo which you want to put. You want to specify the company name, the company logo name, and you want to state all this at the beginning. You can start here, but that is not my interest, so I'll close it. So you see that we are starting right from the scratch. We have build, we have settings, we have publish. At the level where we are building a form. Now, this button, add form element, is a very, very important button. It gives you an opportunity to drag and drop your form elements here. We also have a form designer. This one is a setting which gives you options to change the designs of your form after you've created it. We have add your logo. You can add your logo here, but you saw that at the beginning there was an opportunity to put the logo and the company's name before you even start creating the form. So let's get started. You click form elements, and we have the basic, we have payments, we have widgets. Now for the basics, for the basic, you have the heading, the full name, the email, the address, the phone, date, pick, appointment, signature, and many other issues. So you might want to add and put all these elements on your form. Of course, that depends entirely on which kind of form you are creating. So meaning that by the time you get to Jotform, you have already understood the exact nature of form you want to create. Still under form elements, we have payments. There are many payment integrations in Jotform. There is Square, Paper, Paper Business, and many others. So in some aspects, some other issues, probably you are creating a form that requires that the users make payments to access certain services, or even buy some issues, maybe through filling in the form and through doing their payments, they can be able now to purchase or to buy a service or to book for something. So the form gives you the payment integrations here. Then there are widgets. These widgets are what you can include on your form. For example, if you want to put YouTube, if you have a YouTube account, you want to put a widget on your form about your YouTube, you put it there. Or importantly, you can search for any widget that you're looking for, like WhatsApp. Then you put the WhatsApp widget. You know, these days business is instant. You may want to integrate the WhatsApp widget on your form. So straight, let's go to adding a few elements to the form. Is a drag and drop. So I want to start with the putting name. So you drag here, and then this will give you a form element of where a user can put their name. If you feel you want to edit it, change a bit, you can come here to properties, and then you have opportunity to edit. So you can say maybe tell us more about yourself, or you can just say what is your name? What is your name? Something like that. Then you may want to customize on alignment of the labels. You may want to change many things. You may want to change the labels. You may want to duplicate what you've done. So you do that at the heading properties. So that is the name. We may want to add maybe the email, so that the user can give us their email address. And then maybe we can put the address, contact address. We can try to edit this and say contact address, so that we can try to understand which is required or which is not required. So if it's required, you on required, and before the user fills in the fields of that particular aspect, they will not be able to submit the form. So there are many things you can do here. You may want to change these wordings, and you keep adding and editing the properties of that particular element. Then we may want to add maybe the signature. And with the signature, after they have finished maybe submitting what they have to submit, they can sign and inscribe a signature. You may add as many aspects as you like to add. So when you go to payment, you may want to integrate a payment option, but you know that the form is not about payment, so we may not get there. For the widgets, like we said, you may want to put widgets so that you are able to understand, to enable your users access you through many widgets that are provided in this form. It is taking long here. I don't know whether it's a network issue, so I can cancel this in order not to waste so much time. You can add a logo. Maybe you want to upload a badge or something that represents your company. You add it there. Then you go to settings, and in settings you can specify the title of your form. Maybe you can say maybe you can say virtual class registration form. Maybe that can be the name. And then you can disable your form, or you can specify a date you want to close it, or you can specify the number of submissions that you want. You can just get here and you enable the form, or if you want to specify a date you want the form to close, or you want to put now a submission limit, you do it there. And then you can put a thank you page, show a thank you after submission. You may want to put a customized message to thank your users that have given you feedback of filled your form. You can get here and talk about integrations, where you may want to maybe integrate Zoom and PayPal and Google Drive and many other issues. Then after you enable all the settings, for example, you may want to select an email where you will get notifications on who has filled your form. You may want to add a new mail. May want to put many other issues. Then after that, you now go to publish. You are supposed to customize this link, and for privacy issues, if you don't want your form to be public, you make it private here. Or if you really want to customize your link so that it has the name of the form, then you copy the link and share it with all those that you want to fill in your form. Or you can share the form link on various social media platforms. Maybe you can share it on Facebook, or you can create an app so that you store all your forms in one place and you share those forms with the others. So the next video, I will be showing you how to create an e-commerce store app using Jotform. Yeah, thank you so much. That is what I can demonstrate as far as creating forms is concerned in Jotforms. In my next video, I'll be demonstrating how to create apps, especially e-commerce store apps using Jotforms. Thank you so much, and have a great evening, and bye-bye. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification button and give me a thumbs up if you think these videos are helpful and useful to you. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.